I receive, I manifest your power and your wisdom till the nations see Jesus lifted up, exalted. I receive, I manifest your power and your wisdom till the nations see Jesus lifted up, glorified. I receive, I manifest your power and your wisdom till the nations see Jesus lifted up, exalted, exalted. I receive, I manifest your power and your wisdom till the nations see Jesus lifted high, glorified. Sing, breathe, Lord, breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe upon my life. Breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe, Lord, breathe upon my life. Breathe, Lord, breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe upon my life. Till the nations see Jesus, till the nations see Jesus, till the nations see Jesus, till the nations prophesy, see Jesus, till the nations see Jesus, till the nations see Jesus lifted up, lifted up, lifted up, lifted up, lifted up, exalted, lifted up, lifted up, lifted up, lifted up, lifted up, lifted up, glorified. Breathe, Lord, breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe upon my life. Please hold hands with someone by your left and right, and let's begin to pray in the Spirit for the next 1 or 2 minutes. Everywhere, everyone praying in the Spirit. Your eyes on Jesus, your heart connected. Is the sound of revival. Everywhere across this auditorium, across the airwaves, lift your voice and pray in the Spirit. Edify your spirit man as you prepare to receive some more. Are you still praying? Your prayer means I'm hungry. Your prayer means I'm desperate. Your prayer means I desire more. Scotland pray, UK pray, the nations pray. Scotland more minutes. You are praying in the spirit. My heart is open, enlarged, prepared to receive.